I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Here we are. I've heard that there is a very special magic pet on this island.
Morphle, wanna see?
Yeah, me too. Morphle, morph back into yourself so we can go into the jungle.
Ooh, I think I see it.
Let's go! Are you ready, Daddy? Daddy?
Daddy gone!
Uh-oh, let's go find him. Ah!
Monkey!
Maybe you can see Daddy from the trees. Morph into a monkey, Morphle.
Morphle now see Daddy. Scary!
Yeah, but when you're with me, I don't feel scared at all. Look, Morphle, that elephant's trunk is stuck underneath that tree.
Uh-oh.
Morphle, morph into an elephant as well, so you can lift up that tree.
Scary sound!
It is. I wonder where the sound comes from. Ooh, look over there, Morphle.
Pretty birdies!
Morphle, morph into a bird as well. Now fly up high and look if you can see Daddy.
Morphle now can see Daddy!
It sounded really close by, Morphle.
Yeah!
Oh, no! Mila! Morphle!
That's Daddy's voice. Let's go, Morphle.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Daddy now here?
No. Oh, look.
Is anyone there?
Hello, bird. So you were the one making that scary sound. That was great. Do you really think so? Yeah. You must be the magic pet Daddy told us.
Help!
Was that you? It wasn't me.
Real Daddy!
We need to help him.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Morph into a big dog.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and... Ah, you are the magic pet. Great!
Morphle, morph into a dolphin. Let's make the game more special. Aqually, could you make a cool water stream in the shape of a ring?
Oh, wow! That's so cool!
Let's jump in. Here it comes. can you make the water stream go to the ball?
Swim over land? No way!
Morphle have it.
Hey, Mila and Morphle, what an awesome magic pet you have there.
This is Aqually.
And it can create the most amazing water streams.
That's rad. We were thinking of getting some ice cream in the city, but it would be way cooler if we could surf there.
Hey, Aqually, do you want to create a water stream through the city? All aboard!
No, Razor, stop it!
Hello, doggy. Oh, and hello, lady.
That looks like so much fun! Mila, can we join you guys? Sure. Aqually, can you pick them up?
Oh, this is actually kind of fun.
Get back here, you bandits!
Aqually, can you move the stream closer to the road so we can catch them?
We need to get out of here, Stein.
We can't! Our bandit mobile is broken! Looks like you're stuck. You might as well enjoy the ride.
What a lousy day. I haven't had a single customer yet.
I hope you have enough ice cream because we're all very hungry.
Yes, of course. And I have so many flavors like a lemon, a strawberry, a chocolate, a banana, yogurt, a pineapple, and let's see, my favorite flavor, wood.
Well, you've caught us again.
Organic.
Are you going to take us to
there's
prison
grass.
now?
Let's see, a mug,
Well,
brick.
yes.
Did I say?
But don't you want some ice cream first?
But good. And if you like a spice in your life, we have a jalapeno death pepper surprise. Oh, that the one will open your sinuses, I tell you.
Oh no! Not my beautiful hat!
Mr. Mayor, what happened?
Oh, Mila, it's terrible. I was just walking around in our beautiful city thinking mayoral thoughts when someone drove by and stole my hat.
Don't worry, Mr. Mayor. We're on the job. Morphle, morph into a search dog.
saw who took the hat. It was you.
Huh? Morphle?
All right. What's going on here?
There you are, you thief! Give me back my doggy!
Are you saying Morphle stole from you?
Morphle would never do that.
Yes, he would. I just bought a birthday cake when Morphle drove by and grabbed it from my hands.
Are you all sure it was Morphle?
Yes.
Well, well. Morphle a criminal. Not in my city. I'm going to have to take you to the police station, Morphle.
No, please. He didn't do anything.
Looks like they're gone. You can come out now, Yorn. They all think Morphle stole their stuff. Oh, this must be our best plan yet.
Yeah, let's do some more.
Morphle, no criminal!
Don't worry, Morphle. I will prove you're innocent.
No! Give me back my apples!
So the bandits took all the stuff.
I can't believe it! Morphle took all my apples!
Don't worry, sir. We've already caught Morphle.
But it happened just now.
Outstanding police work, if I say so myself.
Morphle didn't do it. It was the bandits. I saw them with my own eyes.
Now, Mila, you can't go around blaming everything on the bandits. Bye-bye now.
Ooh! Morphle, I know who did it. The bandits stole everything. But no one wants to believe me.
Mila catches the bandits!
But I can't do it without you, Morphle.
Morphle, no catch! Morphle, a jail!
But I have an idea. Can you still hear me, Morphle?
Morphle here! Wacko! Wacko!
Give me back my tools, Morphle.
Sounds like trouble. Go down, Morphle. Don't worry, Joe. We're on it.
What? Another Morphle?
Faster, Morphle. We almost have them.
She's too fast, Dine. She's going to catch us.
We'll see about that.
No, 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 no. Slow down, Morphle.
Not so fast now, are you?
Morphle, turn around quickly.
Huh?
Again. We've done it, Morphle.
Yeah!
Shh, shh. Quiet, Yorn.
How did you get out of jail, Morphle? Trying to hide all your stolen loot, I see.
That's not Morphle. Those are the bandits.
Hey, wait a minute. This isn't Morphle.
That's what I've been telling you all along.
All right already. You've caught us.
Uh-oh. I might have made a slight mistake. I'm very sorry I doubted you, Morphle. Of course you're not a criminal. And in light of your outstanding police work, I'll make you honorary police officers.
It was fun pretending to be Morphle. Right, Stein?
It sure was. Morph into a plane, Yorn.
No, you morph into a car, Stein.
Hiya! Hiya! Being a ninja is awesome!
Yeah! Morphle be ninja too!
Hiya! Ah! That hurts.
Don't worry, Troy. Only a real ninja can punch through a plank. Wow! That's great, Morphle!
My ninja manual says a real ninja can not only punch through a plank, but they can also climb really well.
Ninja Morphle can climb!
And ninjas can jump really far and quick.
Whoosh!
That's awesome!
Also, a ninja can hide himself everywhere.
Hide?
Wow! Where did he go?
I don't know. There you are. You are really good at hiding as well.
Now you only need to chop fruit in the air. Now you're a real ninja.
Woohoo!
A real ninja?
The bandits!
No, today we are the ninja masters.
Yeah, how can Morphle be a real ninja if he doesn't know the super secret ninja move?
Wow! What's the super secret ninja move?
Morphle wanna learn! Morphle wanna be best ninja!
Okay, then. Listen carefully. You first have to go to the school.
But no one can see you go there.
Then you have to find a yellow flower. Put it on your head.
And dance around with it.
Now that Morphle is learning the super secret ninja move,
We can kidnap Mila.
Oh no! Why are you doing this?
to lay a trap for your ninja friend, of course.
Oh, to test out the super secret ninja move. Good idea. Morphle, help! Morphle, help!
Mila! Morphle be ninja! Ninja climb! Now ninja jump!
Oh, what was that?
Ninja hide!
I don't see Morphlestein.
Morphle, you're here.
I'll activate the trap, Yorn.
Super secret ninja move!
He's actually doing it, Stein. Oh no, it's a bee! Run, Stein!
Ouch! Ooh! Ow! Oh!
There you are. The bandits did all of this for you.
Yeah! Thank you, bandits!
Sure. Ouch! Ooh! Ow! Oh!
Hi, I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. Morphle. It's a rainbow. It's so bright and colorful. Let's go check it out, Morphle. Morph into a unicorn. Let's follow the rainbow and see where it leads us.
Hello, you two. Welcome to our magical world. Will you come play with us?
Of course! That sounds like a lot of fun! Let's follow him, Morphle!
Please join us and have some tea and a cupcake.
Oh, thank you!
The sun is setting, so we have to put the stars in the sky. Will you two help us?
Sure! That sounds like a lot of fun! Oh, but we have to get back. It's getting late. Oh no! The rainbow has disappeared! How do we get back home now?
Me and my friends can help you.
Red! Orange! Yellow!
Green!
Blue! Come on!
Wow! This rainbow is so pretty! Thank you so much! It's really strange. Teacher Arnold hasn't come back after break.
Yay, let's play!
No, Morphle. Let's go find him. Morph into a race car.
Look!
Oh no, it's Arnold. What happened? Don't worry, we'll find a way to get you out of there.
Yeah!
Look, there's Mr. Vanderboos.
Daddy!
Daddy, we'll get you out. Just wait a bit longer. Okay, that way, Morphle.
We've almost got him, Yawn.
Yeah!
Bandits!
We need to help Atmo. Morphle, morph rockets to the car.
Almost. Gotcha.
You did it, Stein!
Wow!
It was Atmo that froze Daddy and the rest. It has a cold.
Atmo! Here!
You need to go to the doctor, Atmo. He can help you get better. Morphle, morph into an ambulance.
Whoa! What's going on?
Atmo has a cold, and when he sneezes, he freezes everything in front of him.
I think I have some medicine just for that.
Whoa!
We'll just need to find the right medicine. Is it this one?
Mm-mm.
Okay, how about this one?
Mm-mm.
How about this one?
Mm-mm.
No? This?
Mm-mm.
Okay, this one?
Mm-mm.
No? Well, there is only one bottle left.
Mm-mm.
Whew! It's working! Yeah! Atmo, do you think you can make the sun shine again so that all the ice melts again?
Oh, no.
There you are again. I knew you three could solve this problem. Whew, now let's go home. Whew, I could use a hot chocolate.
Yay, chocolate!
I think I caught a cold. Huh?
Oh no!
Huh? Ugh.
I think Daddy could use some help, Morphle. Morph into a digger.
What? Morphle, why did you do that?
Not good?
Now it's ruined.
We're sorry, Daddy. We were only trying to help.
It's okay. Just go help somewhere else.
We're going to cut the grass over there, Daddy.
Sure. Be safe.
Morph into a cutter, Morphle.
La 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 la.
No! Morphle, stop!
What's going on here? Not my beautiful flowers. Why would you cut those?
We didn't mean to, Daddy.
Yard work needs precision. And you're way too big, Morphle.
Now leave me to my work.
Maybe we can help Daddy a little by cleaning up those twigs and leaves. But we have to be very careful. Morphle, morph into a tiny bulldozer.
Oh, thank you, Mila. But where is Morphle? That's it! Out of the backyard, you two! Ah, finally done. What do you think, Mila and Morphle? Oh, right. I told them to leave, but they were only trying to help. I bet I can make it up to them.
Mila, Morphle, could you come over here? Are you hungry?
Yeah!
I'm sorry I got angry at you guys. You were only trying to help.
Morphle, sorry too. Next time, Morphle, help more better.
Well, now that you mention it, the sun is really bright, and
Say no more. Morphle, morph into a parasol.
Wow! Thanks a lot, Morphle.
And that's to keep you cool, Morphle.
More ice cream!
Hi, I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Wake up, Telefox. I've got a surprise for you. Have a look in the backyard.
Morphle, look at you! Tricycle!
It's a new bed for Telefox.
He's gonna love it. I'll throw the old one away.
Oh, no surprise in the backyard!
Ta-da!
Telefox, no like!
Aw, I think he's looking for his old bed. I think he went outside. Let's go after him. Morphle, morph into a race car. Uh-oh, Telefox isn't on the car anymore. Look!
Ooh. Oh, no.
Hey, Telefox, I'm sure that's not your old bed.
Telefox, gone!
Ooh. Phew. Ah. Oh, no.
What happened?
I got scared and threw my box of ice cream in the tree.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a fire truck.
Thank you so much. Now I can serve ice cream again. To you.
Ice cream!
Thank you.
Thank you!
But we don't know where Telefox went. Morphle, morph into a helicopter so we can see him from the air.
Shoot. I didn't mean to do that, Barky.
I think Telefox has been here too.
Barky, stop it.
Yeah, but not anymore.
Where could he have... Aha! Daddy said he threw Telefox's old bed away. And where do things go when you throw them away?
Garbage dump!
Yeah! Ugh, it smells in here. There it is! Telefox, we found your old bed!
Telefox!
Now let's take you and your bed back to the Magic Pet store.
So, Telefox was looking for his old bed? Okay, you can keep it. After we wash the garbage smell out of it. Blah!